This is will go in the queue in the hedge of more flow, right?
More flow. More flow fuel gas.
No flow, less flow.
Next. I think first is less and then more. Go down. Down.
Limited, no.
No, go down until you see the more flow.
More flow.
There you
More
go.
flow.
Now, number 2, I think.
This is
Yeah. Second
number.
one. The second one in the hazard. Yeah, second one. Yeah, that one. FCP, yeah. High flow
No.
sleeping fuel gas. Yeah, 6.6.2.
This one.
6.6.2.
Yeah, absolutely is correct. So we'll say here malfunction full open.
The hazard consequence is not happening. Sorry to say that. Everyone was there. Even Masrur was there. No, not the. Yeah, I know, but
Malfunction full open. So what is the consequence here? The malfunction full open, then high strip.
Yeah.
So immanual.
Yeah.
So we are saying high flow of streaming fuel gas
Yes,
to
correct.
people.
Leading to potential liquid carryover of spec to undump gas. Yeah, because
This is ultimately deferred. This is loss of
pressure.
production only. This is loss of production only, right?
Yes.
So,
Deferred production.
and we have FAH. It will trip the system.
No. That's
It's
not
only
it.
deferred loss of production.
Liquid carryover. This is coming from the bottom. Yes, but if it was ladder.
Only saying. So here we are saying only the loss of production, right?
Top. And go to this guys, this is well pass all the trays and come with the gas. Okay, no, but anyway, this temperature of the internal. This is the potential temperature of the internal. The mist. You want to fill that?
More flow and take action to prevent production loss.
They need to overspec crude also because we didn't have enough. Between the gas.
If operator does not take a corrective action, so only we are having a loss of production only, right?
Yes.
So and here what is the response time when you get FAH? What is
why I loss of production? Actually, it will be like will not impact any but no impact on the. Can we go here? Liquid knockout. See what is mentioned here? Potential of pressurization.
Yes.
Due to high flow of fuel gas, loss of primary. No, that is too much.
No. This one.
Different.